stopped making me feel like I would just note down all the details. I'd be nodding and not feeling. That's a sign that something's wrong. We're not meant to process information that's so difficult in that way. Smita, did you put something in chat or was it somebody else?
Yeah, I just said numbness.
Numbness,
what is numbness to another person's?
Yeah. Okay, so let's take a look at this. So there's another term which we call compassion fatigue, right? So when you show up with compassion and trying to help people all the time, you get fatigued by having to show that much compassion all the time. You have to be understanding, you have to be really kind, you can't show your irritation. Maybe you had an awful day before you left the house, your child was giving you trouble in the morning, right? Throwing a tantrum, whatever it is. And now you have to show up there and actually put all of that on hold and be there for that person. You're going to feel some fatigue doing this over and over again. So let's look at how these things interact, right? What we call burnout is a combination of this kind of exhaustion where you feel really, really tired, fatigued, depleted. Then you start feeling like, why am I even doing this? There's no impact. I'm not seeing anything change. People are still coming in and behaving, acting in the same way. And then you start feeling like you don't connect at all with like people or the values. You think about, when I asked you, why did you come to Tunai to do this? You all had a very motivating, inspiring reason why, right? You lose that. You lose sight of that, or you feel like that's not what's driving you anymore, right? That's a change in your value. So when we talk about burnout, if you're feeling any of these things, it's very, very important to like take a step back and say, what's going on here? Is this too much for me? Right? Because if it is too much for you, remember always wearing your oxygen mask first.